How to add close friends on Instagram. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. So firstly, what you have to do to add close friends, and it works on both Android and iOS, so don't worry about that. So firstly, you need to connect with the internet and open your Instagram app. When you open your Instagram app, you have to click on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Then you come to your profile page, click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner from this menu, and here you can see the most third last option from this pop-up menu, close friends. Click on the close friends, and here you can see the all the close friends. So my all the close friends. So what you can do to add the close friends, you have to click you can scroll down and you can see all the suggestions to add any of the close friends. You can see the add button in the right side of username, so click on the add button, and you can if you want to again add someone as a close friends, you can also add the click on the add button in the right side of this username, and then you can add anyone as a close friends. So let's see, I also add this person, so click on the add button and it is added to your close friends. So but if you want to remove from the close friends, you have to click on this remove button, and you can simply remove this person from the add friends. So to remove the friends, you have to remove the from the close friends, you have to click on the remove button, and now it is removed from your close friends. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment that it works. I appreciate it.